Welcome to the next video, and in this video we are going to start our project. So first step, let's create an outline with dark brown paper strips. Let's start. So before we will start, let's add some glue to our lid of the container. Usually I use any lid of a craft container. Also, we can use a piece of paper and just add some glue on it. Also, I use paper, just make the glue flat. So let's start with dark brown paper strips. You can use that too, or you can use your fingers, but be aware, do not cut your fingers. Or also you can use simple toothpick. To create an outline, it's amazing to have container with tip. You can add glue right on your surface. So start with the mug. Just glue the little part. Then use your tweezers and just find where you need to fold the paper strip and fold it, and continue with the mug rib. Hold 1 to 2 seconds to give the paper strips stick with cardstock. If you have extra glue outside or inside your outline, you can use or just clean or painting small brush to remove this extra glue. And let's continue to create our outline. Just add glue on your outline. Actually, I add a lot of glue, so I have to use less glue. Never use more glue than you need. Yeah, this is fine, but here's a lot of glue. We need just fix it. Okay, I will fix it later. So use your tweezers. Again, fold. Fold and again fold, and here we need just repeat the outline here and help with your tweezers. Again, I'm going to use cotton stick to remove extra glue inside and outside of my outline. Okay, great. Let's finish with outline of the mug. So again, add glue, but not too much. Here we go. And help with tweezers to fold the paper strips, glue it, and we need just use scissors to cut extra paper strips. Yeah, like this. Yeah, let's add a mug outline here, and then we are going to add ribs. Help with tweezers to fold the paper strip, again fold, and just cut okay, here we go. Our outline of the mug is ready. Let's add pumpkin ribs. You need dark brown paper strip. Again, use curling technique to curve the paper strip, and I actually don't know how long should be this paper strip. Usually I adjust first, for example like this, and measure how much I need. Just put the finger here and cut with scissors. Then just adjust one more time, and we can see that this paper strips too long, so I cut a little bit of paper strips here and adjust one more time to make sure that this paper strips the right length. Now, how we glue paper strips? We just put it in the glue. Usually I put the sides, the ribs of the paper strip as well into the glue. Okay, next one, measure the paper strips the same way, I need to cut a little bit, like this, then adjust again. Yeah, it's perfect. And another way to add some glue, use a container with dip and just add necessary amount of glue. Also add on the ribs on the sides of the paper strip and glue it following the pattern. Yeah, great. So let's finish with 2 more ribs and we'll continue with our cup handle.